be back, everybody. Dennis Alexander here with Dent Baron. We have a 2020 Nissan Sentra hail damaged vehicle. We're going to be showing the roof. This one's pretty severe as far as depth, and what we're going to be doing is basically showing you a special tool we have. It's called the Power PDR box, and what it allows us to do is repair dents that have oil canned. And we're going to show you what oil can is, and we're going to show you how we use the tool and remove the dent. We were able to remove every single dent on this roof except for this one, and it kept oil canning. And we're going to show you how that was. Thanks for watching. All right, so here's the roof. It's, as you can tell, pretty severely damaged as far as depth goes. The dents are really deep. For hail damage, there's not a whole lot of dents on there, but they are deep, and that's what makes them very difficult to repair. Here it is, completely finished. We removed every single dent on the roof. The one you just saw there is on the rail. It's a separate panel, but we were able to move every single dent, including that oil can dent. And what we use is a special tool called the Power PDR box. It's an electrode tip we use on the back side of the panel, and it heat shrinks to steel, which allows the dent to be stiff, no more flexing, no more popping up and down. And we're going to get right into it and show you exactly how that's done. Okay, so here's the dent. We're popping it and it's going back into place. That's what oil can dents do. When you push up on it, it goes back down, up and down, up and down. And so what we use is a industry specific tool. It's called the Power PDR box. It's an electrode tip which heat shrinks the back side of the steel panel, which makes it stiff so it doesn't do that oil can effect anymore. So what we're going to do is ground the back side of the panel to its raw state of steel, and we're going to massage that electrode tip around on the steel until it does this right here where it pinches it back up, and we're gently hitting every single low spot to bring it up and tighten the metal back into place. And then once we do that, we use our specialty knockdown tools and knockdown hammers to knock down all the high spots to make it flat again. And once we do that, we do this a couple times until it's completely flat and finished in rigid panel. And that's the goal, to make it as perfect as it was when it was basically before the hail hit it, back to pre-loss condition. That's the goal. And here it is after we knocked it down with our specialty hammer and specialty knockdown tools. Still got some low spots. We're going to hit the electrode tip on it and bring them back up and tighten that metal back up so we can repeat the process until the panel is finished. This far in the video, you have seen a finish where the panel is completely flat, and I'm going to zoom in right here. You're going to see a micro low right there, and we're going to finish that off with one of our tools. We're going to push it up with a sharp tip tool and get it perfect. Thanks for watching. As always, have a great day.